cooking show where I cook for the third time ever, and Jared narrates it and tells me what to do.
What's the name of the show?
That was your job.
That's it.
That was... This is your job.
Yeah.
You're the narrator. You have to tell me what to do.
Okay, we're gonna take 3 whole...
So what do we make? So today, we're making the bolognese. And by we're making the bolognese, I mean Jared made bolognese earlier and it's been sitting there for like 2 hours already, so...
Why don't you go stir it some?
Oh, this whole thing?
Do that TikTok move while you're doing it.
Oh, this? I'm gonna make pasta. Homemade pasta for our bolognese. Jared's making me wear this towel because apparently that's the professional thing to do and he always wears one when he cooks, so... We're waiting on you. I don't know what I'm doing.
Take 3 eggs. 3 whole eggs. And put them in that bowl right there.
Oh, you set it up this way for a reason. We're gonna Amelia Bedelia this and just set eggs in the bowl.
Yeah, you're gonna crack eggs and put them in the bowl.
You have to be extremely explicit. Just the whole thing.
Great, yep.
And a 1. A 2. A 3. Eggs in the bowl.
Now take that fork there and beat them up a little bit.
Ooh. Beat them up a little bit.
Don't want to incorporate air, just break up the yolks. That's all you're doing.
What do you mean? So not like I'm making scrambled eggs?
Yeah, make scrambled eggs.
Then what's it, how am I, what do you mean I'm not supposed to incorporate air, but I'm supposed to break up, that makes no sense. Those are hard directions. Just like this.
Looks great. I can't see it.
Ugh. Okay, looks pretty.
Great.
I can't do anything unless you tell me what to do. You remember in Talent Pool, did you have to do that assignment where you had to write instructions for how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Dang, we were both so smart and appropriate.
So smart.
I won.
TP. Oh, it was a competition. Yeah. Great. And here we are today. Take 2 cups of flour and add it to the bowl.
What?
2 cups.
Add it to the bowl?
Yep.
I thought it was supposed we're not doing it this style?
No.
What's this style?
We're gonna roll it out later.
Why do we have this?
We're gonna roll it out later.
So this is not like the pasta we made before.
No. Okay, you wanna level it off?
Oh no! With what?
Yeah, sure. Right into the bowl. Perfect.
Am I supposed to dip it or?
Yeah, whatever you want.
I'm not supposed to pat it.
No.
Jared!
Sure.
That's out of the shop.
It's still in the shop. It's okay. Blend it.
Hand blend it?
Hand blend it.
Is there like a technique?
Well, let's add in a tablespoon of olive oil.
Okay, well that's not so much a technique as an ingredient. Seems necessary. 1 tablespoon. This EVO seems Italian AF. It seems like very green. Olive oil usually this green.
That's the good stuff. Give it a good pinch.
Salt. Oh, how? What's a pinch? All of this?
Yeah.
That's more than a pinch. Now what?
Start using your hands to
What?
mix it.
Just go for it?
Yeah.
Is it a joke? Am I actually supposed to use my hands? Or is this, you just wanted to see me do this? Oh shit. I got it.
So you feel like it's been pretty well incorporated.
What's the Laverne and Shirley? Schlossovo.
Schlemiel.
Schlemiel. Schlappozo. Incorporated. Schliesel. Schweisel.
Pretty well incorporated.
What?
Pretty well incorporated.
That's what they say?
No.
I watched Laverne and Shirley late at night. Is that when you watched it?
Yeah, Nick at Night.
Yeah, when I was supposed to be sleeping. Sorry, Mom and Dad. This is the best way to do this? It's mostly on my fingies. There's flour on the bottom that's not mixing in. There's also stuff on my fingers that's not mixing in. Raw egg,
Uh-huh.
Ugh, you can't get it mixed in. What's the trick? Jared, it's not working.
Show the viewers at home.
Like this?
Looks great.
How do I get this off my fingers?
If all the flour is mixed in there, you're done.
Like pretty much.
Okay.
Okay, what?
So take it back to the dough hook.
But I don't understand. I already put it. Whatever. Okay.
Lock it down.
Yeah. You lock it down. Slow, fast, what?
Slow. Just let it sit there. Maybe like 10 minutes?
10 And done. Just take it out. Ooh, she feels nice. She looks be easier to take out. And got it. So now what?
You just want to put it in saran wrap?
That's it? Like, take it out?
Take it out.
It looks good.
Great.
It feels like it's supposed to. Remember, Mama Italian? What's her name? You can talk. You're the narrator.
Her name was...
Mariposa. Mariella.
Nope, Butterfly was her name.
Manuela.
Abuelita.
Manuela said it should feel kind of like leathery.
She said that. You're making that up.
She didn't because she only spoke Italian.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the worst part right here. Ooh. Got it.
Wrap it, and then just
Set it and forget it.
30 minutes.
Where? Doesn't matter.
Anywhere you want.
Welcome back. It's been 30 minutes.
Sure has. We're gonna roll out the dough. So first, you want to put
It looks no different.
put a little more flour on the.
That's not enough.
You can add more at any time. You're gonna plop the dough down in the middle. Now you want to flour up your rolling pin.
Hands.
And hands.
Jeez, this is so heavy. I forgot.
Solid marble. So what you want to eventually get to is to be able to read a newspaper through it.
Who said that? You said that? Bon Appetit said that.
Italy said that.
Italy said that. Manuela. Well, how long does this take? This feels like it's going nowhere.
The fact that it's shrinking back is good because that gluten.
Is it?
That means the gluten's set up. It's got some bounce.
And we love gluten. I just added a lot more flour. Is that bad?
You want to add just enough flour so it doesn't stick to the roller.
It's like cheese straws. I can just keep adding flour. Cheese straws are the one thing I know how to make.
Yeah, I wouldn't over flour it, but if you feel like it needs more flour and it's sticking too much.
We're definitely at an over flouring point. I don't understand how I'm ever supposed to roll this out because it just keeps coming back. Is there a technique that I'm not using that I should be?
Probably.
You want to tell me?
Looks like it's working.
Is it?
You're doing great.
Am I? I'm not reading a newspaper through this anytime soon. What type of pasta are we making today, Jared?
We're gonna make it tagliatelle.
I thought. Okay. What's that?
It's like big fettuccine.
It's big fettuccine.
That was my nickname in high school.
Why is that your nickname in high school?
I love Fazoli's so much.
Did you though?
I ate a lot of Fazoli's in high school, yeah. I take the tour of Italy, you know?
No, that's Olive Garden.
That's Olive Garden.
God, I hate myself for knowing that. No, that's Olive Garden.
Corona.
Fazoli's or Olive Garden, Jared?
Boy.
If there's even a choice?
Well, there's some...
Softball.
Yeah. I'd say softball it. They're just so
Ooh,
different.
I could read nothing through that.
They're so different.
Do not sell me the merits of Fazoli's.
There are merits.
Oh no!
How thin is that?
So thin that I can't see anything through it. Ooh, but
Keep rolling.
this is what it feels like. Remember when Manuela was like,
When doves cry?
it should feel leathery and really thin to the, like this feels
Again,
like.
you made that up. She didn't say that.
Yeah, she did. Amelie was translating. You cannot tell me that there's a choice between Fazoli's and Olive Garden.
Yeah. Fazoli's is...
First of all, I'm family when I met. What's that?
Did you drool on it, or what? Probably.
When you're here, you're family. Frank, is that Fazoli's or Olive Garden?
It's real Italian real fast. Is Fazoli's.
Okay, yeah, so Fazoli's sucks. I'm family when I'm at Olive Garden. I haven't used this once. Why do I have it on me?
Looks cool.
Okay. Like, still?
What's still?
I'm still doing this?
Yeah. Well, how thin is it?
I did spit that time. It was so warm. I think it's like probably good to go.
So, sprinkle just a little bit of flour on top.
This really does feel like leather.
Fold it in half.
Is this a joke?
No?
I did all this for why? That's sticky.
Put some more flour on it.
Oh, that makes sense. Isn't my technique so good?
So good. Fold it in half.
Am I making a crepe?
Oh, no, same way. More flour on it.
Okay, so same. Ooh, this feels so good. Can I eat it?
Eventually,
Is it bad if I eat it now?
you can have some of the scraps. How about that?
Okay.
Fold it in half one more time. Same way. Now go to the
It feels like a crepe, and it looks like a crepe.
Now go to the chopping block and grab a knife.
What knife?
Doesn't matter. Great.
Nope.
Great.
Stick it in the
Okay.
flour?
Nope. Okay, now turn it the other way.
Oh!
You're gonna cut about 1-inch sections.
This is exactly how she did it! I forgot.
1 inch
Oh,
is
wait,
the
my
width of your thumb. Nope. There you go. Perfect. That's scrapped, but yeah, go ahead.
Is that bad?
No, it's fine. Just raw egg.
Chewy. I totally forgot she did this.
Yeah, 1-inch sections. Go.
Like this?
Sure.
Like for real.
Yeah, all the way across.
The texture of it. Oh, cutting this feels so good. It feels like cutting multiple layers of a crepe. Yes. Is this the correct technique?
Yeah, that's it.
The texture of this.
You can put the knife down.
Does it make you so nervous for me to hold a knife?
Yes. You want to break up the pieces. You may have to add a little flour if they're sticky. Break them up in your hands.
Each piece.
Sure.
It looks like a sour straw. Do we need it this long? There's something in my eye.
You can cut it if you like.
Uh-oh. Dang it. Hell yeah. This looks awesome. I just like adding flour.
You don't need to stretch them out per se, but just break them up.
So
Yeah, perfect.
you didn't like what I was doing. So I should add like a little flour probably. Be like,
So they don't stick together.
This doesn't look like enough pasta for it. It's gonna be a lot of pasta.
It's not, you can make more.
These look like the sour straws that we got for Christmas. Yeah, we got sour straws for Christmas. That was the only time of year we got oh. Ooh, pasta for days. Ooh. A weird texture. I'm the pasta master. I'm the pasta puppeteer. This looks great. We should get a picture of this.
Is your water boiling?
Ish.
Okay.
It's not like blah 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 blah.
You add our pasta to it.
Just dump her.
Just dump it in there. You're gonna go for 3 minutes.
I feel like it's gonna overflow.
Give it a little toss and some salt.
What? You're throwing so many things on me. Couple cranks.
Sure, like a lot of cranks. Make sure it's not sticking to the bottom.
It's not sticking to the bottom,
Okay, great.
per se. They don't look as perfect as I thought they did when I made them.
3 minutes. Stop touching it. Okay, so kill the heat.
Nope, wrong way. These boys got real big.
Let them sit there and steam off for a little bit. What we're gonna do next is, I think we don't have enough pasta for all of the bolognese that we have.
Correct. We have bolognese for literally 7
Bolognese
days.
for days.
We have bolognese for days. At least 4 days.
We're gonna return the pasta.
I didn't save any pasta water.
That's fine.
Okay.
We don't need it. In the same pot, you're gonna return the pasta, and then once it's dry,
How do I know when it's dry?
is there any more water leaking out of the bottom of the colander?
Not really.
It's dripping, it's dripping, it's dripping a lot.
So there is still water coming out of the bottom.
I just go ahead and dump it in there. Now we're gonna spoon some bolognese into the pan.
This is a very small spoon. I have to do it with this.
You can do it with whatever you want. Grab a
don't have-
ladle.
We don't have to. Oh! We do have a serving spoon somewhere. This is gonna take so long. Are you kidding me? This is gonna take forever. Can I pick it up?
Do whatever you want.
You know it's not gonna go well if I pick this up. I feel like a lunch lady. Ever so gently, right?
You want to break up those noodles.
You have to be delicate with cooking and that's hard. What kind of coverage am I looking for these nudes?
40 to 50%.
That's not answered. This is like pretty good.
We can plate it and then put more on top.
Oh, hell yeah. You know I love sauce.
Yeah.
I left some sauce out. Let's how far I can go. Jared made it, I didn't make the sauce. Jared, it always ends up being so much more pasta than you think it's going to be.
Okay, now we just need to not do that.
Oh no, I got on my forehead.
Now we just want to grate some parm on top.
Yeah, hold on, I got a presentation with everything.
It'll look great
Is
here.
that a grading joke?
Yeah.
Our favorite Parmesan cheese, Belgiosa. Belgiosa. Cooking it. That one's yours.
Yeah. You're gonna put a lot more in yours?
Yeah, I'm gonna be here for a second. There's Parmesan just everywhere. We did it.
We did it. Beef, pork, bolognese, homemade tagliatelle.
Homemade. How do you actually pronounce tagliatelle?
Tagliatelle.
What the f*** is eating now?
Ziti now.
Thanks. You're the best.
You're the best.